Integrating technology into education provides an endless amount of possibilities if you're able to keep up with its latest features. As teachers, it's our responsibility to provide students with resources and tools that appropriately cater to their learning. If used correctly, technology has the power to transform any classroom. Hi, my name is Bailey Janik, and I wanted to show you how to upload assignments in Google Classroom using templates that were created on Google Slides. Now, to do that, you're going to go ahead and go to your Drive, press New, and open up a Google Slide. Now, I'm going to show you using a older vocabulary template that I had created in previous years. So I'm going to go ahead and title this template. Now it's going to be a vocabulary assignment, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the date so I can find that later on. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to File, Page Setup, and I'm just going to change the dimensions in case I ever want to print their assignment. I can do that easily without any formatting issues. So I'm going to apply that. I am going to delete these text boxes because I just need a blank space to work with. Now I'm going to go to background. I'm going to go to choose image, browse, and I'm going to upload that previous vocabulary template that I mentioned before. Now it says original right there because I can go back and reuse this template however many times I want, and again, you'll see it's just a universal template. I'll press done, like so. I uploaded it as a JPEG. I downloaded it as a JPEG after I made it on Google Slides. This way I can upload this template as a background, and the students aren't able to move any of the titles. All I have to do is create an area for the students to put their work. To do that, I'm going to press the text box, and I am just going to make text boxes in all of the spaces that I want the students to write. So once I'm done with that, it should look something like this. As you can see, edit text here, that's exactly where I want the students to write. Obviously, the picture area does not have an edit text here area because students will look at pictures on their own and place them there. Now, going back to this, the cool thing about Google Slides is if, let's say, you have more than one vocabulary word you're trying to assess your students on, you can go ahead and right-click and press Duplicate Slide. This way, students can fill out more than one vocabulary word. So let's say, again, you have a vocabulary list of 10 words. You can go ahead and duplicate this 10 different times so that students can give a definition, sentence, part of speech, all that fun stuff with multiple vocabulary words. So once you're done with this, you actually do not have to save it. It's a cool thing that Google incorporates with their different features is that you actually don't have to save it and it automatically saves. So all you have to do now is go to your Google Classroom. You're going to press on the classwork tab up here, press the create button, press the assignment. Now, you can go ahead and put a title. You can put instructions if you'd like, a point system, you can put a due date on there, topic, you can even add a rubric if you would like. But I'm just going to go ahead and skip all that because you can fill that out on your own time. I'm going to press add, and I'm going to go to file. Excuse me. Now, normally, if you just go ahead and make the template that the students can do their assessment on, it will pop up right here. But since I made this a little bit earlier, I'm just going to press upload, browse. I am going to go to the template that I created the text boxes for, choose, and right here you can see that that assignment is attached. All I'm going to press is assign. And there you go, it's right here, vocabulary assignment, and then the date is right there. Again, if you wanted to create a due date, that is perfectly fine, but this is just the easy way for students to access that, and again, it's not too hard to create an assignment and just upload it to your Google Classroom. So that is how you create a template and upload it as an assignment on Google Classroom. The different ways you can digitize assignments are endless. I encourage you to use the tips and tricks of this tool that I showed you during the video and make it work for different types of assignments in your classroom. Again, if you have templates that you created in the past, you can go ahead and edit those, upload them, and just make it easier for the students to do assignments digitally. Thank you.